much. Good luck to winner take all. Gates open, they're up and racing for the Japan Racing Association Cup. Darlev draws for your lead. Iconic moving up by the rail. Shining Armor now catching the third spot. Then comes Dream Supreme in between runners. Big Bang and Action Sailor is trailing them but not too far from the leader as they leave the straight. And as they leave the straight, now going to the 3/4 mile pole, Iconic leading the field by about a length and a half. Shining Armor now running in second. Darlev drops back in third. Racing in fourth from the outside for a Dream Supreme. Then by the rail is the stablemate runner number 4, Big Bang. And Action Sailor is still running at the tail of the field, passing the last 900 with Iconic this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second, Shining Armor. Darlev remains in third. Dream Supreme now moving up on the outside. Big Bang remains second last, and Action Sailor is still bringing up the rear, passing the last 600 with Iconic maintaining a 2 lengths lead this time. Shining Armor remains in second. Darlev remains in third. Dream Supreme still in fourth. Action Sailor now second last, and Big Bang is running at the tail of the field as the action turn for home. Darlev takes the lead by the rail. Shining Armor is on the outside. Then Dream Supreme running in third. Big Bang is by the rail with 150 to go. Jeff Zarate on Darlev. Pat De Lema on Shining Armor with the last 50 meters. Another stakes race won by Jeff Zarate on Darlev this time. Shining Armor took second. 4A Dream Supreme took third. Then comes Action Sailor. Number 4 Big Bang and Iconic comes in last.